Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift card code in Binance. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then log in into your account. If you don't have an account on Binance yet, you can just use my link in the description box below in order to get the sign-up bonuses. Once you are here on the home page, tap on the more option, then tap on this search bar here in the top. Over here, you need to search for rewards hub and then you will be landed here on this page. This page basically shows you how many rewards you have in your account and how many vouchers you have in your account available. But since you want to redeem a gift card code or a voucher code, I'm assuming that you already have a gift card outside of the Binance application. So over here, tap on the My Vouchers option, then tap on this voucher code here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to enter the code here and then tap on the Claim Voucher option. Now, each of the voucher code can only be claimed once per user, and once it is claimed, the reward cannot be reversed, and you can also view the claim history for the past 6 months here. So this is how you can redeem your gift card or your voucher codes here in Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more these types of crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.